Right, here is then, Stuart. It was, notice the word was, sea solid. Just releasing oil, a bit of heat, and notice that's okay now. I got the chimney off, that wasn't soldered on. The piston, I haven't taken that out, but it's now loose. So I've just had it, so you're not going to see the very first turnover because I've just had it going for a few seconds. That pulley at the back there was wedged up against this red engine frame, so it took me a little while to get that loose. Amazingly, I saved the grub screw. It's usually the first thing to shear off. But let's see what we got here. Nothing. Right, that's on about 4 psi. A little bit stiff still, as you can see. About 10 psi. Got plenty of oil, as you can see. Already oiled it up once. Fairly quiet, a little bit of a tink. But, I think that's nothing much. What else can I tell you? The boiler's damaged. Got a flat spot there where somebody's whacked that on, I think, because underneath there is a blob of solder they've used to wedge that chimney on, as it's obviously got loose at some stage. It's actually that's rubbish. It's that noise, isn't it? Sort that out, it's not a problem. But anyway, so I'm not going to take end caps off to flatten it out. That's all part of its history and life, so it will just be cleaned up as is. I actually thought they'd soldered this safety valve in, but it's not. That's actually settling down quite nice now. That's running quite smooth. Yeah, the little chink you can hear is something to do with this chimney. But anyway, I'll sort that out after it's done. So I'm going to strip this down tonight, I think, and soak it. So, other than that, other than the bits I've just showed you, very good. Bargain price. Turn it around, I suppose, show you the other side. Burner's not too bad. Just lost the end piece. I'll make another one of them. The wick on these is very hard to get out. Unless you're very lucky and you could hook it out. But I can't even see it up there, so I'm going to have the same trouble as I had with the last one, which just sits up there at the minute. So I'll have to just pull it out with a drill bit by bit. But anyway, that's a minor job. What else can I show you? Front. See the damage there now. See they're dented. Fair divot there. It's a bit tight, I can pull that off one-handed. But it could be that this boiler's a little bit loose in that needs tightening up, that clip. But so I'll take that off anyway. But that could be what that rattle is. That and a bit of a chimney. But there's not much I can do about that really. As I say, I don't really want to take the end caps off, and when it's all polished up, it'll all be part of the engine's life. Okay mate, that's it. That's my Bowman PW201, straight out of the cat food box that it arrived in. So hopefully in about a week or so, probably about 12 hours work here, I think, it'll look like the other one. It sits up there, and that one up there, as you remember, was much like this one, about the same condition. That's it. Thank you.